Hi. Thanks for the visit. Thanks for visiting us here at the Legend Cookhouse. You ever cooked before?
Of course I did.
Yeah?
I'm a mother. I know you don't look like
You know what is? You know what is this?
That's,
That's our chow mein, right? This is Guyanese style chow mein. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how we make this chow mein here at the Legend Cookhouse, right?
All right.
You want to cook it yourself, or you want me to do it for you? I'll show you
I
how.
want you to do it. Let me
All right. So I'm gonna explain. So it's regular cooking. I'm gonna just put the onion in. So what are you doing out here in Queens?
You know, my name is Pinkydoll. So I've been doing my stuff. I'm the queen of MPT, no cap, you know what I'm saying? So I have a lot of meetings, hook up in New York, you feel me? That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
Oh, I heard that you got a good appetite.
Of course, I eat a lot, you know, that's just
right.
me, you know. I love to eat.
You eat a lot?
Yeah.
So I cook a lot.
Okay, that's fine. We're the best friends.
All right. Start on a good note there, you know?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey,
So
yo,
I'm gonna show you how we make our
You trying to
chow mein.
flirt with her, bro?
Huh?
You a married man, bro.
Come on, man. Come on.
Have
This
respect.
is food, bro. This
Have
is
respect for
food.
your wife.
Food I'm talking about.
I love
here,
your
man.
wife.
Come
It's a
on.
nice lady. Huh? Talk about I
Man.
cook a lot. Don't try to flirt in your
Come on,
Guyanese
man.
tone.
Get a flirt in the kitchen, bro.
Oh shit.
I will see how the day going. Anyway, you see this here?
Yeah.
Nice chow mein, nice and fluffy.
Fluffy, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yo, record me.
So,
Okay, like 80.
simple cooking. We get our onions, our garlic, and all of that. We put them in there. Put a little bit of ginger. Nice.
Yo, first of all,
Yeah.
I don't like how you talk.
Look,
Don't talk like that in the food. Nice and fluffy, don't flirt.
What you mean?
man, nice and fluffy, bro.
I'm not talking to you. This man, I'm not talking to you.
Oh.
This man has a
Don't-
nice wife, and his wife invites me here too, and I'm gonna put respect on her name. What do you mean fluffy?
This is nice and
Talk straight.
smells.
Yeah, we smell the aroma. Don't say fluffy.
Nice aroma, very
You
nice.
talk about flirting. Talk straight.
All right.
I'm hating on him
You tripping.
because he's too smooth. Look at him. Look, he got a nice
He's
shirt.
really nice. You
Some
just showed me
black
how to
pepper.
cook.
Black
What you
pepper,
mean?
spice.
What type of spice?
Black pepper.
What does spice do to you?
All right.
Huh? Eh?
Smell.
What spice do?
Smell the aroma.
Oh, okay. Keep it on the aroma. Yeah. Pay attention.
Pay attention. How are you
Yeah,
doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Stop tripping, bro.
This
You're
guy-
too much.
What this guy's doing here?
I'll step back. Let me see.
The guy go back to the bar. I don't know why. They come here to drink and then they disturb people.
No, I come here to put you in order.
All right,
Stop
all right.
your crap. You and all. Huh? Order. You're my family. You're my brother. Yeah.
This is our lo mein sauce,
Ooh.
right?
good.
So that's what we'll use to make this
Yeah.
nice
What type of sauce is that?
lo mein sauce, chow mein sauce. It's a versatile sauce, you know. We use to make our stew. We make our chow mein, and I'm gonna taste it, and you're gonna taste it. So here,
What is she gonna taste? You
Tell
want?
me.
I think. Look.
you want to taste the sauce?
I know how the sauce tastes. I tasted it before.
Can you taste it for me?
No, you taste it,
No, you taste it. You ask you first.
girl.
Boy.
So anyway,
Hey,
look at this sauce.
Put them on a spoon.
All right, see that?
Good.
Just a little go a long way.
Wait, whoa. What you mean a little go a long way? Hey, listen. Hey, Ruth, don't talk like that. I read through all those Guyanese talk. A little go a long way. What type of freaky stuff you talking in the kitchen?
Come on, man. Come on.
Watch it, yeah. Are you married?
Look
Yes.
at that. Look at that.
It
Look
looks
at that.
good.
You know,
Nice
we talk
and
about
shiny,
food.
eh?
We talk about food,
I
right?
said what?
Nice and shiny.
Yeah, why you
That's
talk?
good. That's good. Yeah. Let me look at the food, okay? 2 minutes.
Look
Okay.
at that. You turn the food.
Okay. Okay.
I love this. You can have some. You can have some.
Of course.
Some. Yes. Look at that. Nice and
like
beautiful. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful and dark. That's how we like it.
Whoa! Whoa! We got them. Beautiful and dark. That's how we like it. Hey.
Oh, thank you.
I gotta talk to your family because I don't know what type of talk. Hey, are we sure that Rupe don't have any other kids? What do you mean beautiful and dark? That's how we like it. What are you even talking about?
Nice chow mein sauce. Look at
I
that.
mean,
Oh.
black is beautiful. You know
Black, I'm
Chow mein
black.
sauce.
Black is beautiful, and I respect it. But he's too Yo, you got a good line.
Let me tell you, man.
You got good lines.
This cooking is so nice and easy, you know?
That's really good.
Like that?
Yeah, that was fast. That's good.
Beautiful, fast. Quick and easy.
Can we get her fork? She look crazy.
Quick
with
and
the
easy.
She look crazy. With
What about you get ones for me?
What? I know how it tastes. He cooked it for me before.
Get a fork for me.
Get a fork. Yeah, give her one of the fork and table.
Oh, she got one right there. Oh,
Oh, thank you.
that's my girl. You know, she come fast. Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
So Queen, so here,
You want to take
since
it?
you have so much objection to the conversation, I'll let you experience what I was talking about.
I don't want to experience anything that you talk about as far as short but long and whatever. What he said.
What you thought about?
Step to the side.
Quick and easy, man. Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. Oh. All right. So then this is chow mein. Yes or lao mein?
Chow mein.
Okay, but I thought the chow mein noodles is thicker.
You don't know chow mein, that's it. What you mean?
No, this
Thick
is lao
enough.
mein.
Let me tell you, it's thick enough.
Slow me.
It's thicker. Hey,
No, you don't have it.
what you mean it's thick? Yo, this guy talking crazy. That's how your father talk? That you behind the camera.
Yeah.
Chow mein is thin or lao mein is thin?
I'm gonna spike this up a little bit.
Okay, yeah, I love
You like loud, like
Nah, I don't want no spice. I don't want no spice.
like
I
spicy.
tasted that before. You gave me 15 bottles at my house.
Ooh, that's good.
See that?
That's some, okay, yeah, I'm gonna mix
That
everything
heat.
together.
That would heat up the Canadian cold.
Yeah, that's so Yeah, that's so good. Oh my god. I'm just gonna pretend like I never heard that.
I need to talk to the family. This man,
I'm selling sauce, brother. I'm selling sauce.
no, what type of sauce you selling? The way you
Chow
talking?
mein sauce, fried rice sauce, pepper shrimp sauce,
Oh, I love pepper shrimp.
variety of Legend Cookhouse sauce. Make everything lovely.
I love that one.
This tastes good though.
See that?
You lucky. You lucky it tastes good. I'll fire your ass up. You okay? Yeah.
Spicy.
Yeah, that's
Pepper, the
spicy.
pepper.
Yeah.
That's what a spice will make you do.
We go. What? Yo, stop! I'm trying to walk away. Stop talking like that.
You drink lime wash, man.
All right.
Yes. Food's so
All right, good
good.
job.
All right.
That was
Pinky.
good.
Pinky.
Pinky doing well with the food here, the sauce, Legend Cookhouse.
Legend Cookhouse, we love y'all.
Food's so
Good.
good. Yes,
Can I get this
yes.
back? I'm gonna take it.
Take a picture.